Is Newton Mail worth it? Intro. Hook, ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of emails flooding your inbox daily? Tired of juggling multiple email accounts and struggling to stay organized? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, email has become an essential communication tool, but it can also be a major time suck if not managed properly. Context, that's where Newton Mail comes in. This innovative email client promises to streamline your email experience, offering a plethora of features designed to boost productivity and efficiency. But is Newton Mail truly worth the hype? Let's dive into the details and find out. Newton Mail, a closer look. Core features. Unified inbox. One of the standout features of Newton Mail is its ability to consolidate all your email accounts into a single, unified inbox. This eliminates the need to switch between multiple clients, saving you time and effort. Smart scheduling. Newton Mail allows you to schedule emails for delivery at a later time, ensuring that your messages reach recipients when they're most likely to see them. Follow-up reminders. Never forget to follow up on important emails again. Newton Mail's built-in reminder system will automatically nudge you to send a follow-up message if you haven't received a response within a specified time frame. Read receipts. Want to know if your emails have been opened? Newton Mail's Read Receipts feature provides you with real-time notifications, helping you track the engagement of your messages. Snooze feature. Need a break from your inbox? The snooze feature allows you to temporarily hide emails until a later time, so you can focus on more pressing tasks. User interface and experience. Intuitive design. Newton Mail boasts a clean and intuitive user interface that is easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Customization options. The app offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to personalize your email experience to suit your preferences. Performance. Many users have reported that Newton Mail is fast and responsive, even when handling large volumes of emails. The pros and cons. Pros. Unified inbox. The ability to consolidate multiple email accounts into a single inbox is a major advantage. Smart features. Features like scheduling, follow-up reminders, and read receipts can significantly boost productivity. User-friendly interface. The app is easy to use and offers a variety of customization options. Performance. Newton Mail is generally fast and responsive. Cons. Paid subscription. Newton Mail is a subscription-based service, which may be a drawback for those on a tight budget. Limited free plan. The free plan offers limited features compared to the paid subscription. Dependency on internet connection. Newton Mail requires an internet connection to function, which may be inconvenient for those who need to access their emails offline. Is Newton Mail worth it? Who it's for. Newton Mail is a great choice for individuals who deal with a high volume of emails, require advanced features like scheduling and follow-up reminders, and are willing to pay for a premium email client. Alternatives. If you're looking for a free alternative to Newton Mail, consider using Gmail or Outlook. While these services may not offer all the bells and whistles of Newton Mail, they provide a solid foundation for managing your emails. Conclusion. Recap. Newton Mail is a powerful email client that offers a variety of features designed to streamline your email workflow. While it may come at a cost, the benefits it provides can be significant for those who rely heavily on email for their work or personal life. Call to action. If you're tired of struggling to manage your emails, I encourage you to give Newton Mail a try. You may be surprised at how much time and effort it can save you. Outro. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Newton Mail, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing.